After 5 weeks of daily mowing, it's time to change our RoboUP T1200 blades and give him a quick wash. Step 1 is to turn off the mower for safety's sake. In this handy case, you will find the 3 new sets of blades and screws provided with your mower that should get you through the season. Notice that each blade has 2 holes. This is designed so that you can swap the position of the blades and get more use out of each set. Yikes! This is what happens when you mow during a tropical storm. You are probably not testers, so you would most likely not do this. Even though the wet grass stuck to the chassis, it did not hinder performance in any way. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, and it's smart to wear a safe set of gloves to work with, because even the used razor blades are quite sharp. We recommend that you turn the unit on its back during this process. For us, it was better to keep the unit upright to record the video. It takes a bit of torque to break the screw free. Be careful not to strip the screw head by making sure that you have the correct size and shape Phillips head driver. I've sped up some of the video here so you don't fall asleep. Tee-hee. A brush is helpful to remove the thicker grass. As you can see, I also use the screwdriver to break free some of the thicker clumps around the caster wheels. Even though the unit is IPX6 rated against water, we try to exercise common sense. The manual just says to not use a pressure washer. I used my garden hose with the same pressure that I water our flowers. I also would not spray the water with the unit turned on its back. I'm spraying at about a 30-degree angle, which seems to be safe enough so that it doesn't work its way up into the electronics. Now it's time to install the new blades. Some robotic mowers have the offset that allows the blades to swing freely, built into the screw. In the T1200, the offset is built into the threaded insert on the mower disc, and you will notice that ridge. I clicked the blade's hole over that inset before I screwed it into place. As with all screws, it's good practice to rotate counterclockwise until you hear and feel a click prior to tightening in a clockwise fashion. That ensures that you do not cross-thread the screw during tightening. You will know that you did this process correctly by spinning the blade disc and seeing the blade swing outwards with the centrifugal force. If you pinch the blade with the screw, then the blade won't rotate outwards, so you should loosen up that blade screw and make sure that it's not pinched when retightening. Let most of the water dry and then power the unit back on. You should be ready for another 370 hours of hopefully uneventful mowing. This process is really quick and easy, much quicker and easier than changing the blades on my John Deere garden tractor. Robbie has mowed over 1,200 square meters, in the rain, in the heat of the day through 2 heat waves, at night, on flat ground, on steep hills and near dangerous drop-offs. 5 weeks in, and we are thoroughly impressed with this smart, rugged, versatile, reliable, little mower. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and take good care.